What if I told you your job could vanish in just 5 years? And the one replacing you doesn't eat, doesn't sleep, and never asks for a raise. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's already happening, right now. From lawyers and artists, to truck drivers and even therapists, AI is learning fast. Way faster than anyone ever imagined. And the scariest part? Most people have no idea how close they are to becoming obsolete. Let's talk numbers. According to Oxford researchers, 47% of jobs could be automated. That friendly customer support agent replaced, the designer who makes your logos, replaced, even coders and writers. Now they're competing with algorithms that never get tired. But what exactly is this AI? And how does it learn your job faster than you can? Here's where it gets wild. Meet generative AI. It's not just smart, it's learning millions of tasks at the same time. ChatGPT can write legal contracts faster than most lawyers. Midjourney creates artwork that outshines 90% of freelancers. And robotics? They're moving into warehouses, kitchens, even hospitals. It's not coming. It's here. But here's the truth they won't tell you. AI won't just replace jobs. It'll also create new ones. So the question is, will you be the one left behind, or the one building the future? If you want to survive the next 5 years, you have to learn how to work with AI, not against it. Upskill, adapt, evolve, or risk becoming part of the statistics. Subscribe now, before the machines make the choice for you.